Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to change the location of your notifications on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you're someone who wants to customize where notifications appear on your screen, whether that's the top, bottom, left, or right side, this guide will make it super easy for you to set it up exactly how you like. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it starts up, look towards the top left corner of the window. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu button. Go ahead and click on that. From there, a side menu will slide open. Scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find many options, but the one we need is called Notifications and Sounds. This is where all the notification preferences for Telegram are located. After you enter Notifications and Sounds, look for the section that says Location on the screen. This is the new feature from the latest update that gives you full control over where notification pop-ups will show up. By default, Telegram might display them in a location you're not comfortable with, but here's where you can change that. Click on Location on the screen, and you'll see different positions highlighted across a small diagram. Simply select the spot that works best for you. It could be the top right corner, bottom left corner, or anywhere else you prefer. Once you click on your choice, Telegram will automatically save the setting, so you don't need to press any extra buttons. Now, whenever a new message comes in, the notification will appear exactly where you placed it. This is a simple update, but it makes a big difference and gives you more control over your workspace, especially if you're someone who multitasks on your PC. That's it. You now know how to change the notification location in the Telegram app on PC using the new update. If you found this helpful, take a second to customize notifications on your own and see which spot feels the most convenient for you. Thanks for watching.